Hi everybody, today we have a 2010 Honda Civic. It's got a 1.8 liter engine, and I noticed doing an oil change on the timing cover and the back of the motor, it was all damp. It wasn't oil dripping on the ground, but it was all damp, and I'll show you what the problem is. On the timing cover here, where I got the flashlight shining, there's a valve there. Right there where the hose goes, and the hose goes all the way over here. It connects on top of the intake manifold right up there where I had the clamp moved back. But that's the valve right there, and it just goes right in the front of that cover, and you can see where there's a lot of oil below it. And so what that is, it's a PCV valve. And this is the PCV valve here. We just bought it right from Honda. And the seal ring it takes is the drain plug seal ring from a Honda. And there's the elbow-shaped hose. So when this clogs up and it can't flow, you don't get the right crankcase pressure inside there, and this hose gets real hard, so the oil vapors leak around there, and you get that. So we don't have a physical oil running on the ground, but we have a lot of oil all over the front of the engine, and so it's not taking the unburned oil out of the crankcase and taking it back to the intake manifold and reburning it because that valve is sticking. So we'll put a new valve on there, we'll clean it up, and it's a little shift from John Sadler's. This vehicle's got 173,000 miles on it, so it probably should have been done like at 80 or 90,000, but it's just one of those things that gets bypassed until you see a problem. And somebody else might have tried to sell them a timing cover. I don't know what they tried to sell them, but we saw that, and it's a known problem. Honda had the right valve and everything in stock. So we're going to get this fixed up and have another happy customer at John Sadler's. Thank you. Have a great day.